Drones have revolutionized photography, videography, and various industries, offering stunning aerial perspectives and enhanced capabilities. In this video, we will explore the best drones currently available on the market, highlighting key features, specifications, and user experiences. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner looking to capture breathtaking moments, there's a drone suited for your needs. From high-resolution cameras to advanced flight technologies, join us as we dive into the top contenders that can elevate your photography and recreational flying to new heights. Let's get started. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis on our website, AllAboutTheBEST.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Let's get started with the list. Number 5. DJI Mini 2 SER pick for best budget drone. Looking for a compact drone that won't break the bank? Meet the DJI Mini 2 SE. This lightweight and portable marvel weighs less than 249 grams, making it a perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. You can easily pack it along for hikes or road trips, capturing stunning aerial shots effortlessly. Enjoying an extended flight time of 31 minutes means you can explore without constant interruptions. With a total of 93 minutes when using the combo package, you can indulge your creative side for longer. Thanks to the DJI Fly app, creating professional quality videos requires just a few taps. One standout feature is the advanced transmission range, allowing you to fly up to 10 kilometers. Compared to similar models, this drone offers remarkable reliability and less interference, keeping your footage clear. Flying in winds up to 38 kph is no problem, providing stability in various conditions. On the downside, some users may find the need to download the DJI Fly app outside of Google Play slightly inconvenient. Despite this, its beginner-friendly design makes learning to fly enjoyable and stress-free. After extensive testing, I can confidently say the DJI Mini 2 SE is the best budget drone on the market. Explore your creative side with this amazing drone today. Number 4. Autel Robotics EVO Nano plus our pick for best compact drone. Looking for an impressive compact drone? Autel Robotics has you covered with the EVO Nano Plus. Weighing in at just 249 g, this featherlight quadcopter is easy to carry and flies in many locations where heavier drones can't. Its foldable design makes it super portable, fitting snugly in your backpack. Capturing stunning images is a breeze thanks to the 4K HDR camera. With adjustable angles, you can shoot breathtaking scenery from various perspectives. What impressed me most was the RYYB color filter array, drastically improving low-light photography. Safety features stand out with 3-way obstacle avoidance. 6 sensors keep it safe during flight, making it beginner-friendly. Enjoy up to 28 minutes airborne. Even for extended adventures, you'll have ample time to explore. While I appreciate the premium bundle that includes numerous accessories, some may find the setup a tad overwhelming at first. However, it's excellent that everything comes in one package. Autel's EVO Nano Plus truly shines among compact drones. Its blend of portability, advanced photography features, and safety measures position it as a top choice. Don't miss the chance to elevate your aerial adventures with this fantastic drone. Still looking for the perfect compact drone to suit your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Potensic Atom 3-Axis Gimbal 4K, our pick for best value drone. Looking for an exceptional drone? Potensic Atom 3-Axis Gimbal 4K might be your best find yet. This lightweight wonder tips the scales at under 249 g, meaning you skip the hassle of FAA registration. Storing it in its compact bag makes it a breeze to take along on your adventures. Capture stunning 4K video thanks to the Sony CMOS sensor. This drone yields fantastic clarity, even in windy conditions, thanks to its reliable 3-axis gimbal. Enjoy nearly 96 minutes of flight time with 3 fast-charging batteries. In just 1.3 hours, you're ready to hit the skies again. With a 6 kilometers transmission range, improved PixSync 3.0 technology ensures minimal interference during flights. Beginners will appreciate the intuitive controls, making piloting effortlessly enjoyable. Creative features like visual tracking and quick shots add exciting options for capturing moments. One small downside is the absence of additional advanced shooting modes. However, this limitation doesn't detract from the overall experience. Fun and user-friendly, this drone delivers excellent value compared to competitors. Love exploring and recording? Check out the Potensic Atom for your next aerial adventure. Number 2, DJI Mavic 3 Pro, our pick for best video and cinema drone. Looking for a top-notch drone? Try the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. This gadget truly stands out as the best video and cinema drone available today. Equipped with a Hasselblad camera featuring a 4/3 CMOS sensor, it delivers stunning 20MP photos. The raw capability and dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops provide impressive results in various lighting conditions. Flying confidently is easy with FAA remote ID compliance. That keeps you updated with regulations while you shoot effortless aerial footage. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing with APAS 5.0 enhances safety, allowing you to focus on creativity instead of navigating around obstacles. Additionally, an impressive 43-minute max flight time gives you ample opportunities to capture every angle without frequent returns for battery changes. I love the DJI 3 Plus transmission system. With a range of up to 15 kilometers, you capture stable, high-quality footage without losing control. The included DJI RC shines with its lightweight design and bright screen, making it user-friendly for extended sessions. While no product is perfect, the Mavic 3 Pro occasionally requires firmware upgrades. This process ensures your drone stays current with the latest features, but it may take a few extra minutes. Discover how this drone elevates your photography and videography. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1, DJI Mini 4 Pro, our pick for best drone overall. Looking for a top-rated drone? Check out the DJI Mini 4 Pro. It stands out as the best overall choice for aerial enthusiasts. Weighing under 249 grams, you can skip registration and travel light. This makes it super convenient for spontaneous adventures. Experience stunning vertical videos in 4K at 60 FPS. Perfect for capturing breathtaking sunsets or vibrant cityscapes. Your footage looks incredible right off the bat. Enjoy immersive flights with a 20 kilometers FHD video transmission. This feature gives you a real-time view that enhances your flying experience. Obstacle sensing in all directions boosts your confidence while flying. Whether you're a newcomer or experienced user, worry less about crashes. Plus, the extended battery life means you'll have more time to explore. Say goodbye to the stress of low battery warnings. One thing to note is that while the DJI RC2 is great, it could be even better with more advanced features. Still, it provides essential information during your flight. DJI Mini 4 Pro excels in many areas and sets itself apart from similar models. Ready to elevate your drone game? Dive deeper into this incredible machine today. So that wraps up our list of the best compact drone. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which compact drone you like the most. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video.